Yeah, people, I can't tell you how I've been waiting. It's probably been like over 15 years, maybe over 10 years, definitely. But I've been waiting to experience this again. This was one of the highlights. Yeah, this looks like, too sweet. I know some of you are gonna tell me, why am I eating this sweet thing? But trust me, this is one of the highlights of my youth, and I'm glad. Kiss, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Kiss, for finally bringing back this one. This is like the Super Saiyan. This is like the final boss of the Kiss cakes. Hopefully I enjoy it. Hopefully it is still as good as I remember when I was younger. Yup, this is going to be good. People are going to envy me now for having this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. Kiss, big up yourself again. Alright. Yup. And it's got the cream inside also. Of course, when you're younger, it tastes much better when you're younger. Everything seems more vivid. This is good also. Yes, yes. Yeah. Alright, I'm happy. Yeah. Can't start today now. Can't start today. Alright, you're not going to finish. You're not going to see me finish eat this. Alright? So again, Kiss making. Big up for bringing back this. Alright, so Mia, how is it?
It tastes like a regular Kiss cake to me. But just with ice cream.
So is it good though? Alright, cool. So, I couldn't just let my daughter eat and not call my son. Micah! Come and taste this. You don't have to hold it. Bite it. How does that taste? It tastes good. It's good. It's good. Alright, so this is not annoying my kids. This is actually giving my kids something nice. Alright, so let's try the orange cupcake. Wow, it's orange, but it's got the strawberry cherry red icing thing.
That's not red icing. It's that's not red icing. It's white. It's white icing.
It's red. It's pink actually.
This.
Big up again, Kiss. Don't worry, we're gonna be drinking tall glasses of water to wash down all this sweet. Alright?
I wouldn't drink water too.
Alright, don't mess up that uniform now.
My uniform is so simple.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.